Hello and welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. Those are all the places you can find me. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, probably some other places. Just Google me. Anyway, this is the June Birchbox, and I have a special fun announcement at the end of this video. So stick around. Let's find out what the products are and see if maybe you can get some goodies yourself. So hey, June 2020 Birchbox. Everybody needs you time. Indulge a little. That's the Birchbox tip. So take some time for yourself with the products below. Okay, so we have Alterna, My Hair, My Canvas, New Beginnings Exfoliating Cleanser. I've never heard of an exfoliating cleanser for your hair, but apparently it breaks down the residue and stuff in your hair. So I am excited to try that. Then we have Benefit Cha-Cha Tint Lip and Cheek Stain. It's got a mango hue. Let's see what it do here. What it do? Just a little subtle color. Just a little subtle. Then we have Comfort Zone Active Pureness Mattifying Fluid. It's a lightweight moisturizer. I always screw up where the camera is. Then Georgette Klinger Honey Cleansing Gel, so that you can wash off everything at the end of the day. Then we have, and this is going to be part of the announcement too. This is going into a giveaway because I already have this. It's the Ibby Radiant Glow Highlighter. It's in Prosecco. There you go. Prosecco. We're not even going to swatch it. Then finally, Viktor Rolf Flower Bomb Bloom perfume, which I love. I've had it before. I think I got it once in a Sephora box. It is flowers caressed with crisp mountain air. Now, on to the giveaway. Yes, you watch this video. Here's the deal. For this, you got to follow me on Instagram. You also have to subscribe to my YouTube. By the grace of, I don't know, bank error in my favor or something, mailing error in my favor, who knows with the United States Postal Service these days, I got not one, but two June boxes. They all have the same products, so the products that you just saw are the products that you're going to be getting. You have to like my Instagram. You have to follow me on Instagram. You have to leave a comment with a couple friends. And yeah, we're going to give this away. Preferably, you should also be subscribing to my YouTube. But we'll work out those logistics when I post this. So that will be that. And you too can get your own products of Cha-Cha Tint, Flower Bomb, Alterna, Comfort Zone, and Georgette Klinger. Oh, and Ibby. In fact, you get two, so you can give one to a friend. There you go. So until then, follow me there. Stay beautiful.